everyone, I'm SilasQiu and welcome to my channel. So today's video is how to look beautiful without makeup. I look a little right now, but look how I transform into this. This video is really special to me because I haven't worn makeup in 3 months now, and I'm just letting my skin breathe and getting more comfortable with my natural skin. I mean, I love wearing makeup. I love makeup, so whoever wears makeup, kudos to you. But for me, I face acne problems, and putting on makeup on that would just make it worse. So I decided to just go barefaced and say screw it, honestly. I know a lot of people would kind of be scared to go barefaced, especially if their face looked like mine. No diss to myself, but I'm well aware that I have hyperpigmentation and I have active acne, and it is not cute, but it is what it is. And I'm totally comfortable with going out just like this. So hopefully I can inspire you girls out there to go barefaced and love it and be comfortable with yourself, because it's such a great feeling not to have to like pile on a bunch of makeup just to go out. You know what I mean? Like, it's great to dress up, of course, who doesn't love that? But at the end of the day, you need to feel comfortable with yourself. And when you take off that makeup, it kind of makes you feel like, this is how I look without makeup. Like, at least for me, that's how I felt at first. But now it's like, I'm still cute without makeup, and I am okay with going out like this. So the first thing I do usually when I'm going barefaced, which has been, like I said, for 3 months now, so this is what my normal routine looks like when I leave the house. Sometimes I just leave the house like this, but when I want to, you know, doll up a bit without makeup, this is what I do. Okay, my favorite feature on my face is definitely my lips. I think it's my most prominent feature, and personally that's my favorite part of myself, so I take a little extra care of my lips than everything else. So usually every single day I exfoliate my lips, and here I have a washcloth and I just wet it like this, put my finger inside, and I go like this. You can definitely just use a sugar scrub, but that's so extra work for no reason, and this is just so much simpler. And then obviously the leftover skin, dead skin, is just on the washcloth because it has the ridges that helps exfoliate the lips. And then you go in circular motion. By exfoliating your lips, it helps it look more luscious, and it has more of a pretty color to it. I mean, my lips before looked a lot darker and just dead. Now it looks pink and cute, in my opinion. And on top of that, of course, the dead skins are gone, so it just is, oh my goodness, it feels so smooth. So since this is a no makeup look, I am applying my lip balm. So this is the lip balm that I'm applying. I recommend a lip balm with a little tint to it and SPF, just so you have some protection, and a little tint gives your lips a pretty color without overdoing it. And then blend it in. I'll apply a little more. And I feel like pressing it on like this allows the color to stay on longer. And then you're still pressing it in even more. Do you see the difference this makes? Like, I feel like my lips just look so luscious and plump. Totally kissable, even if you don't have to kiss anyone. But yeah, it makes such a huge difference. My face somehow came alive, and all I did was put on a little bit of tinted lip balm. So you could actually take this step further, and you can apply the lip balm to your cheek as a blush, because it's just lip balm, just a little bit of color in your lip balm. So you could apply it to your cheeks, but I don't like to mess with my face and stuff being like topically on my face, because I'm paranoid as hell I'm gonna break out from anything. So currently I'm not putting anything on my face. What I do put on my face is regular skincare like toner, lotion, and then sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important, especially, well, for pigmentation, but for everyone in general. So that's all I wear on my face. This one I highly, highly recommend, and it's so good. Trust me, try it, you'll love it. That is my stomach. I bet I'm hungry. Okay. Jeez. So the second most important thing on my face, in my opinion, are my brows. And all I'm gonna do is brush them out and put a little oil to keep them in place, and also just to keep them looking bushy. I love bushy brows, so I always just put oil so it grows a lot faster. All I do is I put a little bit of oil on my finger, then I go like this, and then I just go like that. By the way, I'm using argan oil. You can also use coconut oil. And then I brush them out. And you just want to create the shape that you like personally. This helps hold my brows in place, and at the same time, it helps nourish them and helps them grow back. Because as you can see, I have huge sparse area here. And then at the top there, I'm going to just brush it up like that. And then go like that, like swipe it a little. And this is my cheat way of making my brows look like this to this. I think it's a huge difference. Then you just do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now that we've done our brows, I'm going to do my lashes. And something about at least just curling them so they stick up makes them look a lot better than just having them there. Because I don't even have lashes, so yeah, I want to look like I do. So all you have to do is just curl your lashes. It makes such a huge difference. Do you see that? Look at this side, all alive and fluttery and pretty, and then this side is just like dead and droopy. So just do the same. So after you curl your lashes, you want to do the same exact thing that you did to your brows, to your lashes. You want to just coat them with oil. This will help them grow, and also it helps separate the individual lashes so they're not clumped together and it looks like you have more lashes because you're separating them and spreading them out. So I'm gonna just apply the same oil and using the same little brush. Obviously you want to clean the brush every time. So usually you could dip it in the bottle, but I don't know, that's not very hygienic. So here I am just going to use the dropper and drop it. And then so it evenly distributes on the little stick. I go like that. And then I press it in. Sorry, I'm easily entertained. It just everywhere. That sounds so wrong. Oh my god. Go like that so it could kind of get everywhere. You want to coat it. You could also use castor oil, just any oil that helps hair growth, honestly. I can't find my castor oil. So the next thing to look more put together when you're not wearing makeup is to have your hair done. I get it, some of you are super busy and maybe you can't do your hair, like straighten it. I am not saying straighten your hair, I'm not saying curl your hair. Girl, this is my natural hair. All I did was wash it, let it air dry because ain't nobody got time for all that other stuff. Yeah, this is my natural hair. All I did was comb it out so it looks more put together. And I think it looks fine. I feel like as long as you comb your hair, you're good to go. So far we got hair done, we got eyebrows, lashes, lips, and like I said, if you wanted to add a little color to your cheeks, you could have just used your tinted lip balm and you could have a cute blushing look, but I'm not putting anything on my face. So the next thing to look cute without makeup is nails. I know it's not your face, but it's so important because, well, for me, because when I talk, I use my hands a lot, so it's next to my face. And if I had crusty, chipped up nails, I'm not gonna look that cute in my opinion. So always have your nails done and it just helps the overall presentation, if that makes any sense. And last but not least, a smile. You automatically look so much prettier if you smile. I need to listen to this rule a little more because I walk around with my resting bitch face, aka my stank face. This is it. Yeah. So yeah, smile and you just look 10 times cuter, trust me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can see more of my videos. And I'm just ending this by saying that you're beautiful the way you are, and I'm here to empower you guys to feel beautiful even if you have acne, which is such a hard thing to deal with, honestly. Sometimes I wake up feeling like ugly and like shitty, but you just have to remind yourself that you're pretty and it'll go away eventually. You can definitely still look beautiful with acne marks, so don't be afraid to go out there. I know social media makes that super hard to feel comfortable if you don't have flawless skin because everyone is airbrushing their faces on Instagram or whatnot, whatever other sites there are, but I hope you have a little bit of courage and just doll yourself up a bit without makeup. Try it out. Try this video out. See how it goes. See how you feel. And yeah, at least give it a try. You owe that to yourself at least. Because putting on your makeup takes freaking forever. So this is going to save you so much time to go to school or go to work. Try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!